Thank you so much for the 100 subscribers. Now please help me reach my first 200 subscribers by subscribing to our channel and liking our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and now let's begin with our Kung Pao chicken recipe. Hi guys. Alright, so first we are gonna marinate the chicken. This is simply cornstarch dissolved in water. I'm not gonna add no soy sauce, nothing, just plain cornstarch. And then I'm gonna wrap it with clear plastic wrap and store it in the refrigerator for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Using a frying pan, wok, or a cast iron skillet, once the corn oil is heated, you guys could use the marinated chicken. Cook until the chicken is golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, go ahead and set that aside. Over medium heat, fry some garlic, onions, and ginger. Also guys, if you guys don't enjoy biting into ginger, I suggest to cut the ginger into large pieces. After a minute, you guys could add the green and red bell peppers. Now add the chicken. After frying for a good 2 minutes, now we can add the Kung Pao Panda Express bottle sauce. About a good 2 tablespoons is good enough. I do not suggest using a lot of this sauce because it contains an excessive amount of sodium. This sauce has about 660 milligrams of salt, so I wouldn't suggest using a lot of it. A little bit goes a long way. I also mixed in half a tablespoon of rice vinegar. You guys could use white vinegar, and half a tablespoon of brown sugar. You guys could also use granulated sugar, is fine. Give it a good mix for about a minute or so. Oh, and by the way, this video is not sponsored, guys. I'm just sharing. Add the white squash, peanuts, And please use sesame oil with this recipe. About half a tablespoon of sesame oil. Add some black pepper. Add in the peanuts or cashews is fine also. You guys could also add some dried red chili pepper, which is completely optional. It's entirely up to your preference if you guys want this Kung Pao chicken to be a little bit more spicier, but the sauce is a little bit spicy. Not too much, just about a kick of spiciness. Cook for about another minute or so, and that's it. This is a simple, easy recipe how to cook the Kung Pao chicken using the bottle sauce from Panda Express.